berries and their health benefits for diabetics, weight loss, more. Berries are nature's sweet and tasty gift to us. These small, colorful fruits come in many varieties, each with their own unique taste and nutritional benefits. Whether you're looking to manage diabetes, lose weight or boost your immune system, berries can be a perfect addition to your diet. With so many options available at the local grocery store or farmer's market, it's easy to add these superfoods into your daily meals. In this blog post, we'll explore the health benefits of different types of berries and how you can incorporate them into your diet. So let's dive in and discover why these little gems should be a staple in our diets. What are berries? Berries are a type of small, juicy fruit that come in a variety of colors and flavors. They are often used in desserts or eaten as a healthy snack due to their low calorie count and high nutritional value. The term berry is not just limited to fruits that we typically think of like strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries. One thing that all berries have in common is their high concentration of antioxidants. These compounds help protect our bodies from harmful free radicals which can damage cells over time. Berries are also an excellent source of vitamin C and K as well as fiber, which helps keep us feeling full for longer periods throughout the day. This makes them a perfect addition to breakfast smoothies or mixed with yogurt for a midday snack. There's no denying the health benefits associated with consuming these delicious fruits on a regular basis. Different types of berries. Berries come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. Each type of berry has its own unique flavor and nutritional profile. Here are some different types of berries you can incorporate into your diet. First up is the classic strawberry. This heart-shaped berry is sweet, juicy, and packed with vitamin C. Strawberries are also rich in antioxidants that can help fight inflammation. Next on the list is blueberries, which have been dubbed as brain food, because they contain compounds that may improve cognitive function. Blueberries are also high in fiber and low in calories, making them an excellent option for weight loss. Raspberries are another popular type of berry. They're slightly tart but still sweet with a soft texture, perfect for smoothies or baking recipes. Raspberries contain ellagic acid, which has been found to have anti-cancer properties. Blackberries get their deep purple color from anthocyanins, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. These berries also provide a good source of vitamin K, which supports bone health. Last but not least, we have cranberries, known for their tart taste, often used to make jams or sauces for Thanksgiving meals. They're high in antioxidants called proanthocyanidins that may prevent UTIs and other infections. Incorporating these various types of berries into your diet not only adds flavor but provides numerous health benefits too. Health benefits of berries. Berries are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that offer various health benefits. They are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a perfect snack for weight loss. Berries contain antioxidants which help to protect the body from harmful free radicals that can cause chronic diseases such as cancer. Blueberries are one of the best berries you can eat, as they have been found to improve brain function and memory due to their high levels of flavonoids. Strawberries, on the other hand, contain vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production and helps keep your skin healthy. Raspberries and blackberries have anti-inflammatory properties, helping reduce joint pain caused by arthritis. Additionally, raspberries promote heart health thanks to their potassium content, while blackberries contain anthocyanins which lower blood pressure. Eating berries regularly may also prevent or control type 2 diabetes, since they have a low glycemic index. This means they release sugar slowly into your bloodstream, hence controlling insulin spikes. Incorporating berries into your diet has many benefits, ranging from improved brain function to reduced risk of developing chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. How to incorporate berries into your diet. Berries are a tasty and healthy addition to any diet, but how can you incorporate them into your meals? Here are some ideas. Try adding berries to your breakfast. You could mix them with yogurt or oatmeal for a delicious and nutritious start to the day. Next, consider using berries in smoothies or shakes. This is an easy way to get a variety of nutrients while enjoying a satisfying snack. Another option is to use berries as toppings for desserts such as ice cream or cheesecake. Not only will this add flavor and texture, but it will also provide additional health benefits. If you're feeling more adventurous, why not try incorporating berries into savory dishes? For example, you could make a salad with mixed greens and sliced strawberries, or add blueberries to a homemade salsa. Don't be afraid to experiment. There are countless ways to use berries in cooking and baking, from jams and sauces to muffins and pies. Let your creativity run wild. Recipes with berries. Berries are a versatile fruit that can be incorporated into various recipes to make delicious and nutritious meals. One great way to enjoy berries is by adding them to smoothies. For example, you can blend together frozen strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries with some Greek yogurt for a healthy breakfast or snack. Another tasty way to use berries in your cooking is by making berry compote. Simply cook down fresh or frozen berries with some honey or maple syrup until they break down into a sauce-like consistency. This can be used as a topping for pancakes, waffles, oatmeal, or even ice cream. If you're feeling adventurous in the kitchen, try making homemade berry jam using chia seeds instead of traditional pectin. Chia seeds add extra fiber and nutrients while also helping to thicken the jam naturally. For something savory, try mixing diced strawberries or cranberries into a salsa with jalapeno peppers and red onion for a sweet and spicy twist on traditional salsa. There are many ways to incorporate berries into your diet through creative recipes that offer both flavor and nutrition benefits. Which berries are best for diabetics, weight loss, etc.? Berries are some of the healthiest fruits you can add to your diet. However, not all berries are created equal when it comes to their benefits for specific health conditions such as diabetes and weight loss. For diabetics, low glycemic index berries like strawberries, raspberries, blackberries and blueberries are the best options. These types of berries have a lower impact on blood sugar levels compared to high glycemic index fruits like bananas and grapes. If you're trying to lose weight, adding more fiber-rich berries to your diet can help keep you feeling full for longer periods of time. Fiber helps slow down digestion, which means that you'll feel satisfied with less food. Berries that are high in fiber include blackberries, raspberries and strawberries. In addition to being low in calories and high in fiber content, blueberries also contain compounds called anthocyanins which have been shown to aid in weight loss by reducing inflammation in fat cells. Another berry that has gained popularity among those looking for a natural way to reduce appetite is goji berry. This type of berry contains chromium which helps regulate blood sugar levels while reducing cravings and hunger pangs. Incorporating a variety of different types of berries into your diet can provide numerous health benefits regardless of whether you're diabetic or trying to lose weight. Conclusion: berries are a delicious and nutritious addition to any diet. They offer numerous health benefits, such as reducing the risk of chronic diseases, aiding in weight loss, improving heart function, and managing blood sugar levels for those with diabetes. Incorporating berries into your meals is easy and enjoyable. Add them to smoothies, salads or enjoy them as a snack on their own. When it comes to choosing which types of berries to eat for specific health goals, remember that all berries have unique nutritional profiles. Blueberries are high in antioxidants while strawberries are packed with vitamin C. Blackberries can aid digestion while raspberries contain ellagic acid known for its cancer-fighting properties. Including various types of fresh or frozen berries in your daily diet can help support good health long-term. So go ahead, indulge in these sweet treats guilt-free.